Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for US crude and natural gas. Wonderful week again. Last week, as I said, US crude will achieve 77 to 78 zone. It achieved exactly and retraced back, and natural gas traded exactly in the range between 36 to 4000 levels, 3600 to 4000 levels. I hope you all profited from these levels. Now, what lies ahead for the week? We are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Those who are new to the channel, I provide my daily and weekly analysis for major global markets, including US 30, US 100, UK 100, Germany 40, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and commodities including gold and silver and crude oil and natural gas. So press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Before we proceed with the analysis, I wish you all a very happy, prosperous, and profitable new year ahead, friends. May you make lots of money this week and we grow together. So let's start with natural gas first, and at the end of every analysis I will give you the trading levels to watch out for and trade for. So do watch till the end. Trade your natural gas closed the week at 37.40, and let's have a look at the weekly charts first. On the weekly charts, precisely see right now the support available at 3600 and 3500. This zone is providing stronger support for natural gas. Also we must observe that despite achieving the, see, it has formed a twin bottom out there, almost twin bottom at 3540 levels and higher highs. So with this support, it is trying to trade. In fact, if it tries to drop, only thing I will consider this as bearish. If it breaks below 3540, you can expect it to break till 3200 and below levels. And on the contrary, on the upside, if it tries to rise the 4150 levels, beyond that only I will consider this as bullish. Else it might try to trade in this triangle, which is trying to form out there. Also, you should see little the highs are also not so not so bullish, and hence a probable range bound movement can be seen. Now interestingly, this is a fresh month, and on the fresh month the new candle will start. Already we have seen three big bearish candle on natural gas. So now for the month also 4200, specifically let me give you a closer look out there. If you see it rising beyond 4200, that is the time beyond which we can expect natural gas to rise beyond 5000 levels. Else also we should see that on the monthly chart it has formed a bottom, double bottom out there. So yes, if it breaks past 3540, then you can expect it to drop sharply. So this zone at 3500, 3540 has become equally important. If it breaks past this, then we can consider this as bearish. We can expect it to head below 3000 levels in the month of, so the next stop will be directly towards 3000, and somewhere here between 2700 to 3000 levels it might achieve in this month if it continues to break below 3500 levels. But yes, for now 3500 proving to be a stronger support and 4200 proving to be a stronger resistance. I will consider this as reversal if it breaks past 4200, then and then only. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. We have seen the monthly and weekly charts. Looking at the daily charts, interestingly, the support at 3600 coming into picture very nicely, trying to trade in between this box 3600 to 4000 for a little long. And only bearishness, I will consider this as bearish if it breaks past 3540. Else it might try to again give it a rise towards 4000. In fact, can achieve 4100, 4200 levels, but it is a probable indication of a sideways market for natural gas for a little while. Probably it might trade in between these levels between 3540, 3550 to 4000 levels. 4050 levels can also be seen. Any breakout can be expected beyond 4200 and below 3500 only. Looking at the indicators on natural gas, trading in a bearish zone below 50 and 120 moving average. Now the resistance available at around 4050 and 4100, in fact 4200. Beyond that, the next and sharpest resistance will come into picture at 5000 levels. Below, beyond that only we should consider this as bullish, extremely bullish, and it might head again back towards 6,000 plus. Now look at the DPO is trading in red. Now it is trying to enter into a buy zone, but probably after some sideways movement it will break out. That is what can be seen. And stochastic is dropping. Stochastic is probably looking forward to enter into a sell zone and probably a rise from there. So to 35 40 35 100 can be also seen, but any break below that definitely will be a bearish indication. MACD lines have crossed over running parallel, and RSI is comfortable. Considering this, let me give you the levels. So my expectation for natural gas is to trade between 3500 to 4000 levels. But let me give you the precise levels again. So if you see it rising above 3840, you can go long for 3940, 4000, 4060. And see, this is a sideways market. In fact, can try to take a short at around 4060. Possible, yes, but yes, possible target at 4100 and 4200 can also be seen. I don't expect it to rise beyond that. And if it is extremely bullish, and I will consider this as a buy only if it breaks beyond 4200, then it is a sky is the limit. It will be very bullish beyond 4200 levels. On the downside, contrary, this week, if you have to enter a short, I will recommend you to enter a short at around 3600, 3670 levels. Then you can expect 3640, 3600. These are very narrow, very nearby levels. And because this is a sideways market, it is closed at around 3740 levels. I'll expect not to drop below 3550 and 3500. So yes, beyond 3500 will be very sharp correction towards 3200 levels. So I'll expect you gas to trade between 3550 to 4000 levels, 4050 levels. In fact, these levels are very strong and probably may give an indication that it is trading in a sideways market. So this is all for natural gas. Now let's move towards US crude. Crude closed the week at around 75.50, 75.25 levels. And if you look at this, see, it has formed higher highs. It is trading in this channel. It is trying to. So on the daily chart, despite in a upper trending, see, higher highs here, higher highs here, higher lows here, higher lows here. Now if it looks forward to, in fact, if it goes till towards 7200, then also I will consider this as bullish, and probably a probable rise from there can be seen. But yes, if it breaks below 7200, then it will again land to 6800, 6700 zone. So I'll be looking forward to this zone at 7250 and 7200. On the daily chart, it appears that a minor retracement can be seen. On the weekly charts, on the contrary, see, now this is trading in this channel, and a probable high at around 7800 can be seen. On the downside, on the weekly charts, 7000, 7250 and 7000 levels can also be expected. Now it is trying to see, you can see a similarity between the US 30 charts, which also acted in the similar fashion, though it is turned from the close to all time highs. However, now also look at this. So every time the rise has been phenomenal. So it has tried to drop. Now if it rises from here, if it rises beyond, we can see extremely bullish move on US crude. And if it breaks below 6500, definitely there will be a strong sharp correction, as it will be a breakout of this ascending triangle, which is a long term triangle on the weekly chart. So probably any break below 7250 will be a good indication, or 7200 will be a good indication that it is going to hit 7000 and 6800 levels. On the contrary, on the upside, if it rises beyond 78, that will be a very good indication that it will go past 88,000 and 8100 levels also. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, see the previous candle, it has seen the lows, and you can see this candle, it has seen the highs out there. So 7800 can be seen, and beyond 7800, in fact, it might try to achieve 8200 levels, 8100 levels also on the monthly charts. And on the downside, it might try to get some support at 6800 zone. So 6800 to 8000, 8100 levels can be probably expected on the monthly charts on US crude. And breaking below 6800, definitely it will be very bearish indication for it to go below 6000 levels also. So a probable zone for it to trade is appears that it might try to in fact achieve 7700, 7800 once again before trying to drop on the downside. Any short is only recommended below 70 to 50 levels. And right now, if you see on the daily charts, it might look forward to this zone at 70. See this, the daily charts, it has seen a high forming the cusp. So any rise beyond 7600, go long. Any drop right now, it is looking forward to 7300 levels, the first support, and then 7200, the next support. Below that, it will lend towards 77,000 levels and below that also. So considering also, let's have a look at the indicators. Looking at the indicators, it has got its support at 7,400 and 7,450 to 500 levels. Below that, a strong support should come into picture. Right now, trading at below 100 moving average, little bit bearish. And also you should see that several supports should come into picture at around 7,000 levels. Below that, it might try to break heavily. It was definitely trading in an overbought position, and hence some drop is required. That is what US crude is trying to do. It was trading in a buy zone on the MACD lines, trying to converge, and probable drop till towards 7200 and below levels can be expected. So considering this, let me give you the levels to trade for. Only long I will recommend is beyond 7610. This is the level at which you can go long for 7700, 7770, 7800. Beyond that, it will definitely hit 8000. But I will expect rather for it to in fact drop, and the next the level to short for is at around 7440. From here you can take a short for 7380, 7300, 7250, and 7100. These are the targets, and below 7100 we might see it breaking towards 68 first. Anyways, the support, the psychological support, and in fact the actual support lies at around 7000, and below this it will try to definitely break towards 6800 once again. So I will expect it to trade between 7600 to 7200 levels, 7250 levels, 7200 levels. This levels might be respected this week, and probably you can take your positions accordingly. And see, don't go with the bias or the opinion, go with the direction of the market, trade accordingly and trade profitably, preserve your capital. For knowing and understanding many of such strategies, you can join my 15 days mentorship session. The 8th batch is starting on 10th of January. Definitely this course will help you understand the markets and predict the markets in a better and profitable fashion. So this new year, invest in yourself, join my Telegram channel, reach out to me via email or via Telegram for any of your trading and training related queries. Wishing you very happy new year once again. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.